Hi everyone, welcome back. I thought in this video I would give an update to my last week's video on why I thought we were headed down on the SPY, and then give you my thoughts on why I'm still bearish on the market and where I think we're headed moving forward. So in the last video, I originally thought we were headed down, going to be heading down based on we were hitting the 50% retracement level along with some resistance lines. And I originally thought that this was the makings of a evening star. And although we did get a red candle here, our trade was going to be the break of this red candle with our stop above this candle. However, as you can see, we didn't get an entry to go down. In fact, the market ended up going higher last week. So that leads me to where I think we're headed moving forward. I'm still bearish on the market. The news has not helped change my viewpoint, along with the fact that we had an extreme move down and then another extreme move up. I don't think that's healthy for the stock market. Generally, you want to see a gradual pattern of taking the stairs back up, setting some foundation. But these extreme moves I don't think are that great for the market. So I'm still bearish on the market. I think we're headed down. The next area I think would be that we want to look at is somewhere around here. So we passed the 50% retracement level, and we're now headed into the 61.8%, which corresponds to these moving averages, the 100 and the 200 EMA. So that's something to look at. And then also we do have this gap here that has resistance, so that's another area. And then I noticed if we connect the lines here to form an ascending line like this, and then this one here, we've got this ascending wedge formation, which kind of leads us back to this area, our next area to go down. So I'm going to be watching this area here. This area here for any reversal signs, either with a candlestick pattern such as an evening star or a tweezer top or a bearish engulfing candle, something like that, some kind of candlestick pattern. And then maybe if we break this ascending line, that would be another sign, along with looking at the volume and other momentum indicators such as the MACD or the RSI. And then also news. If news causes us to gap down, that's also another bearish sign that I'm looking for. And then based on the chart pattern, that's how I like to determine where I'm going to be getting my entry, and then also helps me establish an exit strategy as well. So yeah, that's the area I'm going to be looking at. Those are the things I'm going to be watching: candlestick, momentum indicators, volume, break of this trend line, to see if we're going to be headed down. Ideally, I would like to see the stock market come down a little bit, or maybe even just consolidate, just to build a foundation like I mentioned before. I just think it's not healthy to go straight down and then straight up. V-bottoms are very rare. So yep, that's where I'm looking as far as the stock market goes. For this area to play the fade, we'll see if it works out this week. But again, we want to make sure we look for an entry, a trigger, and then also to have a stop, because you never know. The market is crazy lately. But yeah, if you like these videos, feel free to leave a like and comment down below what you're watching and where you think the SPY is headed. And again, see you in the next video.